Alright, we just came down off the hill. Been sitting up there since 11:30 last night. It is 8 o'clock in the morning now, so spent 8.5 hours up on the hill waiting for snowplow to come down. I got my chains on, got the differentials locked in, and headed home. I've been in the truck now for, as of right now, 8 o'clock, 8. I'm at 14 and a half hours right now, and I'm probably a good 2 hours from being home. So, yeah, that was a fun night. Hopefully, we won't be out tonight. We're in close to Silvera. It's on 367 north of Laceyville, probably about a good 7 or 8 miles up. As you can see, the roads are still pretty shitty. I still got my chains on. I ain't taking those puppies off till I get the roots fixed. I'll see what it's like up there. I might wear them all the way home. Who knows? But yep, they got ice road truckers. Well, we're the gas road truckers.